Hey guys, Darren here once again with Solstice Meadery. I'm here doing another product review for you guys. Today we're going to be looking at a bottle capper. Now a bottle capper is used to traditionally put bottle caps onto beer bottles. However, you need to make sure that you choose your bottles carefully. Please make sure that the bottles that you use are designed specifically to be able to be capped with non-twist off bottle caps. The design and thickness of the glass is slightly different, and while you can put non-twist off caps onto those bottles, there is a small chance that you could cause breakage and that could get real nasty real fast. So please be careful, use your due diligence, and verify what you're using before you go getting broke off into something. You'll notice that I also have a small 187 milliliter champagne bottle with me today. This can take both a regular crown cap as well as a number 7 cork. We're going to try this on both, and we're going to see how it works. So the nice part about this, these are, again, right now, this is sold and fulfilled by Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. This is a fantastic little product. It seems a little awkward at first, but that's just, you kind of have to get used to it. Once you get used to the mechanism of it, it works like a champ. You'll notice that on the inside, there is this small disc, and there's a small black piece on the inside. That's actually a magnet so that you can take your crown caps and stick it on there, and you don't have to worry about balancing it on the bottle, on the top of the bottle, and then just gently putting it just in the right spot. Don't have to worry about it. These are super easy to use. There's just one trick that at the end that you want to make sure you take notice of. So you'll put the cap on, assuming you filled this bottle with whatever brew you're going to be putting in it. Simply put it on the top. Now, once you get to here, you have the bottle captured. So you don't have to put a ton of force straight down on this. You can actually pick it up and bend it this way, right? All I did was apply force down and outwards. Make sure that it is actually level. That's how you know that you've actually captured the cap on top of the bottle. My first try, I got to about here and thought I was done, and I wasn't. It had barely put it on. So once you actually have it on there, it is a very nice, excellent seal. Off camera, I have done these myself as a test with water inside, and there was zero leakage. It puts on a really nice seal. I have not done them under pressure, and the reason for that is I don't brew beer. I brew wine, and I don't brew sparkling wine of any kind. I do mead, and typically that is not sparkling. But they come off just as easy as any other bottle cap. They go on very easy. It's an excellent little product. Like I said, it feels a little awkward at first, but once you get the hang of it, this is super simple, super easy. If you had one or two people, somebody was filling your bottles, the next person was putting the cap on, and the third person was slapping this and setting them aside, you'd be going through these really, really fast. Now, the one thing I haven't done, I haven't tried a 187 milliliter bottle yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now, just so that we all can see that it does work. Again, simply put it on there, and bam, it's on. Yeah, excellent. Nice and tight. I cannot move that. That actually rips up my fingers trying to do it, so that's good to go. But it'll come off very easy with a bottle opener. So hey, I hope you enjoyed this, like this product review. My name is Darren. I am with Solstice Meadery, at Solstice Meadery on Twitter, and you can also find my YouTube channel where I do other product reviews and all of my brews I do, so that you guys can see how it happens and follow along with me at home. So I hope you like it. Go to my YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. at Solstice Meadery. You guys have a fantastic day. Take care.